What's up, boys? It's nice and steamy this afternoon. Drive this thing all the time because this thing is it's legit. Sounds good too. Sound real good. Probably should have had it running while I was doing that, but look it. Alright, well, that was a little warm-up, a weekly cruise. And now for the fun part. Picked up this little John right here off the marketplace, real quick like. A little 107, so it's a 110. And it's in a four-wheeler. It's fully automatic. And I think they said it had reverse. I don't know how you would have got it in reverse, but I don't see a switch or anything coming off the trans for that, so I don't know. But that's okay, because where we're going, we don't need reverse. I wonder if the starter even works. That'd be pretty depressing if that didn't work. But yeah, let's get to tearing this thing down. Alright, so I did some rigging, got the plastic off, and of course this marketplace deal didn't come with a key. So where the key would go, on these little China joints, all you need is the red and black to go together, and it's essentially hot at all times, ready to party. And then we don't need no stinking battery, we just got the jumper cables hooked up on the ground and on the hot, and I'll be damned. Now, I tried turning the fuel on, and I don't think it got no fuel in it. I don't really want to put fuel. Well, screw it. Let's put fuel in it. Hold on. Okay, maximum ghetto, but I had to cut the fuel filter out, turning the petcock on, no fuel come out, pull that off, fuel's dumping out of the tank, so fuel filter's just not cooperating. Anyways, I bypassed it, and so yeah, we're gonna see if the old cranky turtles bust off. Because I don't have any starter fluid. I thought I had starter fluid, but I do not, so. Probably ain't got no spark. Damn it, boy. Oh, I wonder if it has to do with this little safety device here. Okay, I checked, and I for sure have spark. So I put a little gas down in here, splashed it everywhere, so there's a awesome chance of a fire now for your entertaining pleasure. So let's see. One, two, one. Oh! Oh. Okay, well it kind of ran for a second, so that's good enough for me. I know it works. So yeah, I guess it's worth unbolting and swapping into the bike now. So I guess let's finish taking it out. Got it out. Got Austin's bike up to plate. Got the old four-wheeler out there, the old skeleton. And now we just got to get this motor out, flap this one in, and then find a spot for a battery, or at least I don't even know where we'd put a battery on here. I think we ain't even really got a guess back here, but we ain't got much. I can probably hit it. Yeah, I don't know about that. I'll probably just run a couple posts out here, and we'll just have to jump it, or whoever has it will have to jump it, or I don't know, something. That's why I kind of didn't really want a an electric start, but I don't know what we're gonna do there. I might have to run that by Austin, because technically this is Austin's bike. I just scored that motor and was like, hey, let's put it in here and get this one sold. I mean, we always started it with a DeWalt, the other bike. That was an electric start. We just had the two leads, the hot and negative running out, and we just stuck a DeWalt battery to it every time we started it. But if we're gonna sell this one, probably don't want it like that, so. Shoot, we might have to put a clutch 125 in here and make it real fun. I don't know. I know we'd sure as crap spin the crap out of that tire trying to do that. I wish this one would just run. It's got spark, it's got fuel, it just won't start. So, and it's really hard to find neutral on it. We actually can't find neutral on it. So I think something inside of it's tore up. But anyways, it's hot, it's late. I need to wash up, get to bed, eat something. And yeah, so that'll be it for this one. If y'all watched the last video, y'all know I dropped the new shirts. So y'all be sure, if you haven't already, the link is in the description. Head to MattyXBuilds.com. You can get you a fresh one. I've got it in the cream, and I have it in ivory, and I have it in black. And then right now I'm running a deal. If you buy over $50, which is pretty much 2 shirts, and I also have some shoes on there that y'all need to check out. Basically, if you spend over 50 bucks, you automatically get 10% off your order. So check that out if you want to support the channel and cop some fresh gear. They're super nice comfort color shirts. And yeah, that's about it. Peace out, be human. We'll see y'all on the next one.